What is pay-per-click advertising? How does it work? And how can I use it in my business? Are some of the most common questions I get from prospective clients who are just wondering about paid ads. So I thought I'd make a really quick video and just talk about PPC ads, explain it a little bit, what it is, and how you can use it. So if you've been wondering any of these things, stick around. If you know loads about pay-per-click advertising, definitely check out the next video where I share my usual guides. But anyways, let's get into it. So the first thing I just wanted to answer is what is pay-per-click advertising for people who don't know? And in short, PPC ads are a form of online advertising where advertisers pay for each click to their website. Google Ads is definitely the most well-known PPC advertising network, although there's other ones. And in short, advertisers bid on keywords or audiences to get their ads displayed. So as an example, if you go into Google and you type in anything, you'll probably see PPC ads. So I typed in window cleaning, and these things right here at the top are sponsored ads. Anytime you see a little sponsored or ads or paid or anything like that, these people are paying for their ads. So if I clicked one of these, I won't, just to be nice. These people are paying for me just to click. Even if I don't call, even if I don't buy anything, they're paying for me to just click. And people pay a lot of money for ads. Depending on the industry, people will pay up to $50 a click. I recently made another video called the most expensive industries for PPC ads, so you can see who's paying the most. Anyways, next thing I want to go over is how does pay-per-click advertising work? And in short, advertisers, so companies, will create a Google ad account, create a campaign. If you're interested in how to do that, you can check out my other videos. But they will set bids for clicks to their website. So they will go into Google Ads, and I'll show the dashboard here, and you're going to have all these different keywords that you're advertising for, like we saw with the window cleaning example. And you'll set a bid, and the bids will vary depending on the industry, the competition that week, and all that stuff. And end of the day, advertisers enter an auction for each keyword, and the highest bidder with the best quality score is going to win the top spot. Quality score is something for a whole nother video, but in short, if you have good ads, you're a reputable business, and people click your ads frequently, you're gonna have a good quality score. It's basically like a authority index for Google Ads. Next thing to talk about is how to get started with PPC advertising. So if you're thinking, hey, I'd like to do PPC ads for my business, here's what you can do. First, choose any PPC advertising network. The most common is Google Ads. Facebook ads is also super popular. And then there's some other ones like Bing ads and stuff like that. There'll also be industry relevant PPC networks. So like Trusted Pros, Homestars, House, these are contractor based ones. These are effectively pay-per-click advertising networks. So anyways, you'll figure out which one to use. I'll kind of discuss this as if you're doing Google Ads because that's the most common. You're also going to need to make sure you have a website or app to promote. When people click your ads, they will go to your website. So if you don't have that, you'll need to make sure you have one. And then you'll have a specific page you're going to send traffic to. So let's say you go back to this window cleaning example. If we look here, these guys, this first one, Umbrella Services, they don't just do window cleaning. They're probably going to do a whole bunch of stuff. Moss removal, driveway cleaning, pressure washing, all that stuff. If you are running ads for, say, window cleaning, you don't want people to end up on your gallery page or your moss removal page. You want them to end up on your window cleaning page. So you want to make sure you have a website or a web page on your site that's relevant to whatever you're advertising for. Then you're going to sign up for a pay-per-click ad account, enter all your payment info and all that. I have another video, how to create a Google ad account in 2024. Check that out. Make sure you do it all right. Then you're going to create your first campaign. Again, I have a whole nother video dedicated to that. These are 15-minute topics, so I'm skimming over all this. And then you're going to test and optimize your campaigns. So again, you're going to have all your keywords. You're going to see which keywords are on, off. You're going to see how often each word has been clicked, what the conversion rates are, all that, and make sure you're advertising for the best words that are most likely to convert. Now, the final question I thought I'd go over is pay-per-click advertising worth it? Now, PPC ads are a really valuable tool for businesses of all sizes. There are super tiny businesses with one person who works part-time throughout the year, all the way up to the biggest companies in the world, Coca-Cola, Apple, or whatever, who all use PPC ads. It can be difficult to rank organically in the search engine organic results, SEO. So PPC ads can help you get more visibility and especially can help you get more visibility quickly because SEO can take some time. If you've watched any of my other videos on SEO, you know it's kind of a 3 to 6 month thing. And if you need calls tomorrow, PPC will be your best bet. That being said, for it to be worth it, you do need to make sure you test and optimize all your campaigns to make sure you're getting the best results. Anyways, in short, PPC ads are a really powerful tool that can help businesses drive traffic and generate leads. And by understanding the basics of how it works and following all these best practices I've outlined in this video and all my other ones, you can create effective campaigns that are going to deliver results. Anyways, I hope that answers your question and makes a good guide on PPC for beginners. If you found this useful, make sure you stick around for the more expert content I share on ads and SEO. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know below and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, hope everyone has a good day and we'll see you in the next one.